Hey kiddos of the world, I am Miss V. And today, we're going to have fun learning to write all your uppercase letters from A to Z with simple, easy steps. Let's get started and have some fun. Ready? Let's go!
You're watching Kiddos World TV!
Letter A. Slant down to the left. Slant down to the right. Across. Let's do it again. Slant down to the left. Slant down to the right. Across. Well done, kiddos.
Woohoo!
Letter B. Line down. Top curve. Bottom curve. Let's give it another go. Line down. Top curve. Bottom curve. Great work, kiddo.
Yay!
Letter C. Curve down, around, and up. Okay, one more time. Curve down, around, and up. Amazing!
It's so much fun!
Letter D. Line down, curve down, and close. Now it's your turn. Line down, curve down, and close. Great work, kiddos!
Hooray!
Letter E. Line down, top across, middle across, bottom across. Let's try that once more. Line down, top across, middle across, bottom across. Fantastic!
Yahoo!
Letter F. Line down, top across, middle across. One more go, kiddos. Line down, top across, middle across. Excellent work, kiddos.
Love it!
Letter G. Curve down and up. Line in. You know what to do. Follow my lead. Curve down and up. Line in. Good job, kiddos.
Wow!
Letter H. Line down. Line down. Across. Let's do it again. Lying down. Lying down. Across. Awesome work, kiddos.
Wonderful!
Letter I. Lying down. Top across. Bottom across. Let's give it another shot, kiddos. Lying down. Top across. Bottom across. Perfect.
Awesome!
Letter J. Lying down. Curve left and up. Let's do it one more time. Lying down. Curve left and up. Great work, kiddos.
All right!
Letter K. Lying down. Slant down to the left. Slant down to the right. One more time. Lying down. Slant down to the left. Slant down to the right. Fantastic work, kiddos!
Woohoo!
Letter L. Lying down. Across. Okay, now it's your turn, kiddos. Lying down. Across. Wow, you're so good at this.
High five!
Letter M. Lying down. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Lying down. Alright, your turn now. Lying down. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Lying down. Wow, very good, kiddos.
Yay!
Letter N. Lying down. Slant down to the right. Line up. Let's try it again, kiddos. Line down. Slant down to the right. Line up. Nice try, kiddos.
Fantastic!
Letter O. Curve around. Up. And close. Again, you know what to do. Follow my lead. Curve around. Up. And close. Well done, kiddos.
Perfect!
Letter P. Lying down. Curve down and close. Now it's your turn, kiddos. Lying down. Curve down and close. Fantastic work, kiddos.
Great!
Letter Q. Curve around and up and close. Slant down to the right. Let's do one more round. Curve around and up and close. Slant down to the right. Wow, you're so good at this, kiddos.
Woohoo!
Letter R. Lie down. Curve down and close. Slant down to the right. Okay, one more time, kiddos. Lie down. Curve down and close. Slant down to the right. Fantastic work, kiddos!
Hooray!
Letter T. Lie down. Across. Let's do it again, kiddos. Lie down. Across. Very good.
Marvelous!
Letter U. Lie down. Curve below and up. Okay, your turn. Lie down. Curve below and up. Wow, great work, kiddos.
Yay!
Letter V. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Okay, one more time, kiddos. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Outstanding work, kiddos.
It's so much fun!
Letter W. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Let's give it another go, kiddos. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Slant down to the right. Slant up to the right. Wow, kiddos, very good.
Love it!
Letter X. Slant down to the right. Slant down to the left. One more time, kiddos. Slant down to the right. Slant down to the left. Amazing work, kiddos!
Yahoo!
Letter Y. Slant down to the right middle. Slant down to the left middle. And line down. Let's repeat it. Slant down to the right middle. Slant down to the left middle. And line down. Wow, you're so good, kiddos!
Wonderful!
Letter Z. Across. Slant down to the left. Across. Let's do it one more time. Across. Slant down to the left. Across. High five, kiddos! Congratulations, kiddos! You all did an amazing job today! Keep practicing your uppercase letters, and before you know it, you'll be writing like superstars. I can't wait to see you next time for even more fun and learning with me. Goodbye, kiddos!
Bye, Miss V.
Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.